Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add an extra field in your WooCommerce checkout form. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account if you've not already. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding fields to our checkout form. So as you can see here, we have the WooCommerce section where we can start a new store if you do not already have one. If you already have your WooCommerce store, you can access it and manage it from here, so you can go ahead and do whatever you need for your products. But what we're looking for is the plugins option. So by clicking plugins right here, we are going to go ahead and open up the plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins we can use for our store. And what we want you to use is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen by using the WooCommerce checkout in the search. So by searching for this, it's going to give us this result right here, guys, which is the checkout field manager for WooCommerce. This is going to go ahead and be a plugin that's going to enable you to go ahead and get started customizing your checkout fields for your WooCommerce store. So all you need to do is just click the install button that's going to appear right here. Clicking the install button is going to go ahead and add it to your store, which you'll be then able to manage from the WooCommerce section. I have just showed you right here using the plugin section and manage the fields you want to use, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.